Hi everyone, let's try to and see what we are going to create today. Okay, it kind of look great, but have a lot of problem. Let's fix them. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we are going to format the background and give it the color. We are going with the dark type this time, this yellow, and apply it to all. After that, we need to insert 3 circles. By holding shift, you can create a circle, and after creating one, by holding control, create 3 copy of them, and then align them center, align them in the, but the problem we have when you do that, it's not align them center. For that, we need to align them one by one, but it's not a problem. We can do it really easily. And after that, hold control and shift and reduce their size. It's good. Select all 3 of them, and now we need to color them up. We go to shape outline and make them this outline, and then okay, let's color them up. We are going with this dark and this green and this green. Okay, now we need to create a copy of that. By holding control and shift, we create a copy, but for that copy we need to do something amazing. What we need to do, we need to bring these things to the back. We send them to back, and then we need to bring these 2 shape to front, and then bring these 2 shape to front. Okay, now we need to put them here. It's good. Now we copy this slide and we select these 3 of them. But before selecting that, we reduce them in size and bring them top. And we paste our text. It's a simple text. We use Overdrive Sans as a font and has nothing special. After that, we copy that. We select these 3 of them and make them here. Now we make the text up, reduce its size a little, and align these 2 things in the shape spot. Okay, it's good. Now we need to copy the text. This is the text. We copy that text, but before that, let us just copy the text. You can write the text if you want, and after copying, copy the slide another time. But here you need to do something. You select this 4 thing and then go to shape format and bring them to front. Then by holding control, select these 2 circles, the 2 darker one, and reduce them in size. Now we copy this slide and paste it here. Oh, sorry, we make a mistake. We make a mistake or not. Let's say we make a mistake here. Okay, it's not a mistake. We copy this slide, and in the copy we select these 2 circles and increase their size. Okay, we need to copy the next text, paste it here, and do the same operation. We bring them to front, copy them, increase their size, and paste the last text. Okay, then just set the transition to morph for all the slide, and also don't forget to make the duration of this transition to 0. Then you see, okay, then your slide is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this kind of video, you can find many of them on my channel, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.